Keep it real.
With Dainelle.
With Dainelle.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with the friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright when we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.
Welcome back to the channel. It's so good enough for those who don't know and want to know. Period. So, man, no. It's been a minute. I'm not wonder who's this girl on Keep Real channel. Long time I say I take a 1 month break. I know not even birthday vlog me not do. I just living at the moment, people. I just relax. I'm not want to traumatize, but keep calm. Take a breath in. Out. We're good? We're good. Alright, we're a friend again. We're the real squad. We're the real one. We're the real ones. Alright, so I'm going on the road currently and I'm mega update. Mega up there. Not me getting tongue twisted. Alright, so I'm going to update you guys as I go by. Yeah, come with me. Hopefully Canila, let me our phone so we can come with me. Yeah, but make an update as I go by. Updating upon my little life, my little break, what's been happening, how my birthday went down, putting a little clip if I feel nice. How my nice as summer go on.
When me nice as summer go on. When me nice as summer.
I'ma show you. Nobody come for me for this. I jam me dry, keep calm. And just relax no man. Traumatizing so. Anyway. Yes. Yes. Yeah. I don't know what. I'm gonna speak baby comment and tell me. Anyways, but if you wanna reach here, so I'm gonna subscribe, but just go subscribe, big up on yourself, turn on the bell so next time I drop on the next video. I wanna catch the next video. Even if it's a vlog, challenge, prank, anything. Just big up on yourself until then. Hey people go, hey, amount of places I go, I never video, you know. Amount of places I go, I'm a dog here on with me. Yo, we were saying time more. Listen, I don't even want. I'm just gonna insert some clip and say yo when we go this. But stay tuned for the update, cause baby I coming. Bye.
Like the video, subscribe, come and tell me what you're feeling for. Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. We a big deal, join the family. And like the video, subscribe, come and tell me what you're feeling for. Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. We a big deal, join the family.
Y'all, we'll get told quick. So we done. We're going.
I thought I was gonna ride the elevator.
We're going home.
Enter elevator already. I think it's a joke.
Even though we're going on the elevator, all of
Although
the
elevator will feel nauseous now. Enjoy the ride still.
True?
Yeah.
Traumatizing. You know, sir. When
I don't feel belly I go up.
Yeah, then don't like
And
see,
down.
sir. Anyways, we're done. We're leaving.
And then if it's really
Do it
slowly
slow.
move, you feel unbalanced.
True. And then when it stops, your belly stops too.
You feel pain.
But I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip. Bye. People make terrible bad. Me, terrible bad. I'm also 2 days now. No, I want to go up the road, go up on the road Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, tomorrow. When I make Friday, I'm gonna pick up the camera. We get so terrible bad this. But excuse me here, you know, I come from school, just go so. I mean this. Anyways, guys. So it's been a couple 3 day, roughly 3 days. Since I take up the camera, we'll took up the camera. Remember, but just remember. You get it? That makes sense. But anyways, guys, I'm under pressure. Exam come up and it just not work out. I just feel like somebody could just slip on my back, more push. Plus now somebody slip on my back. I'm going to drop a chip on my Friday night the book. Gotta show me sign for study. People that them for study cannot study. I'm giving motivation for people to study. Do this, do that. And me can't pick up a book to save my life at this point. Right now I'm hopeless, I'm traumatized. This I give me unsuccessful. This I give me, what does I give you, Kalna? This I give me the motivation. What did I give you? What is it giving you? People show over there's a long time on the door. I'm so sure. I can't get up right. This This I give me careless with K. But yeah, she over there, so she can't study either. But you know, just go and make up on herself and wait till the next vlog. But those who are gonna do them exam, and also some of them might demotivated because exam moved to July. I feel like I feel like I'm in a school long. This is the longest grade of my life. Everybody's in our one grade, 1 year. I'm in there 1 year and couple months. Hello? No man. I'm tired, I'm stressed, I'm traumatized. But yeah, I just feel like I'm in the grade so long. I feel tired, I feel traumatized. I feel like I don't even know what to say. But I just feel wish. But yeah, I'm just gonna big up on myself. I don't know if I'm gonna catch you again. Feel like I'm gonna make that video nice and put a little something. Oh yeah guys, I want to go out and go follow one Instagram page for me. I don't want to do it because I don't read, but I read people alone. I read people alone there, so I want to go out and just go follow that. I'm just like get bigger things and just go follow the page. Just that's all I'm not gonna do. Follow the page, share it if you can, but just follow the page. I know someone saying some soon. I'm here say it go up. I'm gonna make sure put it. I'm gonna put it right here, so I'll put it after the clip here. I want a video, I want a something, so I know say yeah, But anyways, I not going. Let me know. I not going. What if you go exam? Feel traumatized? Me traumatized. It's too far. We are July. Hello, if you enjoy yourself, summer bikini out, buns out. Traumatized. Traumatized. Yeah, people. Let go the camera.
Move.
Okay, well, I'm on the camera. You know what I'm saying? I become afraid. Tell people how you feel. I don't time don't see you. Try girl, there's a laugh and shake. Tell people them how you feel. Hello. Tell people them how you feel. Alright, talk behind the pillow. How you feel about the exam period?
Yeah, invade my privacy.
And you know, what privacy do?
Yeah,
people?
invade my privacy.
She feel study. That's all.
Well, no, man.
This is her studying.
Me I study.
Okay, we show her text. That is her studying. I don't understand. At this point, me traumatized, she traumatized, the whole Caribbean traumatized.
Caribbean don't sort about me. Move no man on this.
Tell the people a long time them do see you. Oh, them saying at the first part.
People, my things set down. But rather talk to no than go study at this point. Because I'm traumatized.
Hello. The girls say, Mommy don't expect nothing of me. My thumbs and my bossy.
Dance and I'm boss.
Chalala. Sush. No, sush. What is his name? What him go so? Sheesh.
Everybody's joking now.
People, at this point, I don't know if it's fake. But it's a tuning wood. I can't know something I go give the little what you call when you get the results. Oh, I don't know something I go do when the results drop either ways, regardless. Oh guys, people kind of updates when they did have one blog when they did forget. But I never get it because I just never make it. I did do it, but I just never make it for go edit it and something. It's the exam morning. I am not nervous. I'm feeling pretty normal like it's the next day because it is the next day. Thanks to God I got the next day. But anyways guys, I'm about to go and do my exam right now. Wish me luck. I don't know what time is it. I think it's after 7. I know it's after 7 going to 8. In the morning I have an 11 o'clock exam, but they wanted to call us in very early, so I'm just working with the so just that kind of update. A girl who have 11 subject. She did the exam late in October. After results, yeah. Talk you know about yeah. Corona did a lot of things. A lot of things changed because of it. But your girl do have 11 subject. 12 subject the girl have. The girl pass her exam. I guess what the girl get? First class honors. Talk to me. When you talk to me nice. If you speak to me, if you talk to me. Hello? Yeah. I don't mean drunk with stress. But yeah. I'm gonna catch you in the next clip. I'm serious about it this time. You see it so? a little careless gel. But yeah, I'm gonna get you on the next clip. I'm gonna see what comes tomorrow. I'm gonna see if I can, you know. But if you're serious about this thing, I'm gonna see what can go on tomorrow. Yeah. I feel like I have an idea what I can do for tomorrow. Doing a little vibe or something. I couldn't walk on. I hope you enjoy that vlog. Because a long time I soon I miss soon. I just can't keep up. I'm tired. Say tired. Say tired. Tell him. Tired.
Yeah. There are other meaning to it, you know. You get it?
Yeah.
Foundation.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are here, uncle.
Move it another man.
The God that lead, you know.
Yeah.
So you know must be behind God.
Watch this. Oh, this is so pretty.
You can't do in front of God.
Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. You guys, I'm so excited.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
Yeah, I've been here before though. I've been here before. Look, I'm not even gonna go close. I'm just gonna zoom in for you. Now go so
Brick dog goes so close, I'm afraid.
oh my, this is a view, yeah. Out of bounds. Yeah. Yeah, if you do this out of bounds, because it's out of bounds. Oh, this is a view.
Take one can and can one can. And you know, so don't this steep over there and run come up. Right up beyond them over there.
Yo, over here, so I'm gonna get a seat live and there. There. That's the city right there. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Look at these.
No, you can see Caribbean too.
Take the way in there. Take a picture. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I left out my phone for the status people then.
I'm up here saying.
Signal or video? Signal or video? Signal or video? Okay.
See there? Can't say look.
Oh, that is so pretty.
Yeah. Keep on the phone, you know, watch. Keep on the phone, saving, watch.
Move your hand out video, Brit. Wow.
What color
Alright, cut.
Castle, Newcastle. Oh, but they're up on my friend place.
Many tourists are the first. You see, a tourist can write about this, you know.
I feel like a body. I never put my hand out the window before.
Put your hand out there and feel it. Bust out.
Just like
You feel it?
Yes.
Put many hands through there, so you feel it.
Thanks for
That's it, then teacher asks you what you do for you.
I'm not tall.
Picking up the pieces that I lost in the lobby. I put you against the wall, you had us body to body. I can't help the way you make me feel, it's so hard to copy. Let's find common ground, meet me in the lost and found, yeah. Dark days turning into dark nights. I hit the strip and spend it all, I'm having hard times. That reminiscing had me looking through the archives. I seen a picture of you looking like a star shines. And you're bright, 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 like the lights on a fight night, night. Love hit me like a mic, mic, mic. You know I'ma get it right, right, right. So stay with me, run away.
Okay, you guys, so please ignore the fact that I look trashy. No, say I keep it real here. But so this is the end of the video. I just want to wrap it up by giving you some little birthday renewal, because I promised you earlier on in the video when I was editing. I realized that I did made a promise, and I said if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. So on my birthday, it was something else. I swear to you, I was having a bit of a mixed emotion, because it didn't go exactly how I wanted it to do. Bear in mind, I have no pictures to show, no videos to show. None whatsoever. I was living in the moment. I did take a few, but I don't like to public those. I don't think it's anything I want to share. I'm a private person. Anyways, so just to give me a birthday run over, I went to have dinner with my family. It was nice. It was really nice. Anyways, not to stray, I did get some gifts, and I just want to say I appreciate each and everybody, whether the real one them, what from the real squad who keep it real with Dainelle. My love for you. Listen, I got 200. If you not hear the fan in the background, it's hot. It's really hot. If you're in the TV, let me go do that right now. Alright, so that's dealt with. I'm giving myself a little space so I can share the things on the side. Alright, so yes, I got 200 and odd birthday wishes from my real ones. Like, I got 100 and odd on WhatsApp, where there was persons that just took my number from their friends who they saw posting me, or it's the case that they made, oh my god, listen to me, I have a grade 8 class, shout out to them. They made a group just to tell me happy birthday, and listen to me, man, listen to me. That was just so, you know, it was beautiful, it was considerable, and I do commend you guys. Thank you guys so much. I know I look away, see, that's why I keep doing this, because I was eating as well. I don't know if anything's in my mouth. Yeah, so they did that. I got a lot of birthday wishes. I got it on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. I got it on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Oh god, man, listen to me, on the real, I'm gonna keep it real, man. I really appreciate that. Other from that, I did get some gifts, so I'm just gonna put some of them here. I don't remember I took pictures of all of them are videos, because sometimes I really don't remember, so I'm trying to get footage for a possible video. So first and foremost, I firstly got this bag. I know it's not showing much, because I'm myself say in other phone seat is one seat on me in a picture and a video. So I got this bag from my sister. She's actually selling these bags. I don't know if she's still selling them. I know she runs a small business. By the way, people, I'm going to leave her business page down in the description box below. So go and get some body scrub, or go and get some face soap, all the things that she's selling that I can't remember at this moment. Alright, yeah. So she was selling these bags, and she gave me one for my birthday. I wanted the pink one, but sadly I got the brown one. Nevertheless, it's cute, it's a vibe, and I can't wait to wear it. But I love it so much. It's a big bag. You might not be seeing it much, but it's a big bag and it's a nice bag. Secondly, I have been always wanting a study Bible. I don't know if I mentioned it in any of my videos or vlogs, but I've been asking persons if they could get me a study Bible, because I believe that everybody can interpret the word of God in multiple ways, and I want to be sure that I understand, because certain things they don't necessarily get the same time. So I just said, oh my god. So she was ordered something online. Well, someone was shipping something for her, and she decided that, you know, they're not always asking for that, so she just got some soups, and she ordered one for me, a study Bible. It's right here, big. Listen to me. Yeah, so when I opened it, I had it so long, because I told myself that on my birthday, that's when I'm going to actually open it. And I didn't remember to, after I came back from the dinner, you see, when I look in there, people, I could have swear me a pastor, I'm ready for preach. And it is so concise, things that I wouldn't get exactly, or things that I would have to look on, and then take a while to, you know, grasp the full understanding. The Bible, yeah. This Bible makes it so easy, and I love it. Me appreciate and love it so much. Alright, so the next thing I got was money. I got a lot of money. obviously you're not going to see anything right here because I'm not going to show y'all. But I got money from all different handles and I really appreciate it. Just the thought of a person saying, oh, I don't have anything, but I want to give her a little change. I love that. Listen to me, love it, me appreciate it. I never gonna turn it back. I know I not necessarily take this from people, but I never gonna turn it back. I'm birthday, I'm entitled to take it. Listen to me. I got it from all different handles. Some people I didn't even know, you know. A person just see me and say, hey birthday, will I change it? And I'm, listen to me. The love was just real on my birthday. And one of the things that I really appreciated on my birthday was the fact that I don't necessarily enjoy all of my birthdays because my birthday normally come in May, which is exam month. So you know I don't necessarily get to go out, or you know I didn't even expect my birthday to be so chill and humble and nice because Corona placed the lockdown, but just in time. That's Oregon, just in time, right? Yeah, I got a lot of money. Oh God, how can I forget? There's this proud and listen to me, a genuine, real one supporter. Listen to me, it's my subscribers them. I think them rock harder with me than the persons that actually know me. You get me? It's always the strangers that really support you the most, you know? Listen to me, I have this one supporter out our way check in for me and tell me every birthday and I say I can do a vlog. I don't even remember her name, but it's not the first, and I really want to say I really appreciate and love you, girl. I love you. Like just the little things that you guys do and the check in, because when it's a long time I never vlog or anything like that. I love that. I love that. Anyways, there's also another subscriber that actually attends my church. She's just so unique. Like the things that she do, you know, or when she listens to what I say on this channel, she literally take note of it. So I just want to say big up yourself, Auntie Betty and Auntie Pam. Y'all went over the top and placed a happy birthday special on the radio. I did not hear it. I wish you'd have told me to, you know, listen to the radio today, or you know, turn the radio on this channel, so you know I was a little bit aware. But just the thought, listen to me, and the love placed into just doing that. I feel it. I did not hear it, but I felt it. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of this video. Thank you so much for making my birthday special, because even though a lot of persons did not know it was my birthday, persons who did know was just over the top, so supportive, and I love and appreciate everything that I got. Even though I don't think I said everything that I got, I can't remember everything, but and oh my God, there was this one gift that I love all of my gift them, but this is the one here. Listen to me, man. I have some persons that really take notes of things that I say. Alright, so I have this brother, right? Not biological brother, but he attends my church, and I really consider him my big brother, like big brother. Nevertheless, moving on with, you know, I always said that I love banana bread, right? So he was like, your birthday, I have something for you that I promised you 2.5 years ago. I was like, not 2.5 years ago? Something said, what that now? And he's so discreet about it, giving his little hints and all that above. When I finally found it and got it, no banana bread, him make the ingredients, everything, you know, put him foot in it, you know. Listen to me, I appreciate all of them. But anyways, thanks for making it so far in the vlog. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Love you, know. If you reach so far and you don't subscribe yet, please go out, subscribe, turn on the bell, and make sure you like the video. Comment on whatever you want. The next video is coming on no exam time, so I'm gonna start that today. But until then, go and be fun yourself. Bye.